Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Irfan Ilmi bin Muhammad Barusi, and I am the one who responsible to prepare this FMEA form as the result from our research. As you can see in front of you, this is the list of the problem that we have found out. After that, we chose top 3 problem to do some maintenance to it. First problem is engine oil. Second, radiator. And last but not least, clutch plate. Okay, let's go through one by one.
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Putina Akila Yatirasna with my matrix number RE21206. The reason I made this video to present one problem of our project, that is engine oil. Before that, let me tell you what is engine oil. So, what is engine oil? Engine oil is a thick fluid that provides lubrication and cooling for your car's engine. All auto engines need oil, but the type and big thickness of the oil varies from engine to engine. It also varies by when your engine was manufactured. Newer engines have stricter requirements for fuel economy and oil consumption, and that means narrower clearance within the engine. Most modern engines use thinner oil than they will have 10, 20 or 30 years ago. There are two primary types of engine oil, mineral oil and synthetic oil. Mineral oil is a petroleum product. They are derived from crude oil just like gasoline. Synthetic oil is developed in a lab instead. There are also blends that mix the two types together. Generally, mineral oil is cheaper but does not last as long. Synthetic oil is more expensive but reduces demand for natural resources. And last, a great deal longer, several thousand millis in most cases. Why it is important? Engine oil is important for several reasons. The most important reason for engine oil is lubrication. It keeps all the moving parts protected and prevent them from rubbing against one another. Without oil, metal will destroy your engine in a very short time. Engine oil creates an atom thin layer between moving parts, preventing full contact and prolonging engine life. The second reason for your engine oil to be used in your car is cooling. Most of the cooling needed is supplied by the cooling system such as radiator, thermostat, water pump, and so on. However, engine oil does provide some supplemental cooling for areas of the engine where cooling cannot reach. The third one, engine oil is also responsible for helping to clean the engine, removing debris like metal fining and other potentially damaging deposits. When should I change my oil? There is no single oil change interval recommended for all engines any longer. Once upon a time, most mechanics recommend changing your engine oil every 3 months or 3,000 miles. Whichever comes over. That is no longer the case. With highest quality oils and oil blend, we can now drive longer between oil change. Some oil really can last up to 10,000 miles between change. High-end synthetic oils. However, the best rule of thumb is to follow your automaker's recommendation, which should be listed in your owner manual. If you don't have your manual, go with the 3 months or 3,000 miles rules for conventional mineral oil and follow your mechanic's recommendation for synthetic oil. If you need a Hyundai oil change, feel free to check out our service station. What will happen if I drive with the oil? So if you were to drive your car with low engine oil, it may do nothing more than result in minor access to internal engine component. It really depends on how low the oil level in your engine will set up to about quite low. However, if you were to drive with no engine oil, the engine will greatly seize up and you will need to replace what will happen if I put the wrong oil in my car? Again, it really depends on the type of oil that you add at your engine. In some instances, you will notice no difference at all. In others, you will see reduced fuel economy. It's really serious case you could cause access to the oil pump, leading to a shorter engine life. For instance, if your car is free to use 5W20 and you add 5W30 instead, you are not really going to notice much. However, if you add 20W50, you will definitely notice lower fuel mileage, sluggish performance, and perhaps even engine knocking. Always use the oil recommended by your automaker. So you need to change your oil. Now that you have to cover a bit about what engine oil does, why changing its method, and the type of oil on the market. Let's delve into how you can tell if you need to have your engine oil. So, example at the bottom is engine noise or knocking. Engine oil's primary job is lubrication. When there are not enough oil moving parts within the engine is not get ready, the lubrication they need. This allows them to make physically metal-to-metal contact, which can cause a light tapping or knocking sound. You may also hear lifter and or cam-bearing noise due to low oil pressure within the engine. If the lever is low, engine noise can also occur when the oil is old and has lost its viscosity, ability to lubricate. Last, exhaust smoke. In most cases, the car's exhaust will be mostly invisible, although it will have a slight smell to it. Not that gasoline engines product with very little color exhaust. Unlike diesel engines which produce black, soot-like exhaust, you may also notice a visible cloud product from your tire pipe during cool weather. This is mostly water vapor and it will dissipate as the engine warms and to operating temperature. However, if you notice that you have large smoke coming from your exhaust, it's a sign that there's something wrong. Generally, blue smoke is caused by oil seeping into the engine and being buried along with the fuel. Your engine will be low on oil as well. There is also the possibility that there is an internal oil leak and the oil is dripping onto the exhaust system. Note that if the exhaust is grayish, it's more likely to be caused by an incorrect fuel-to-air ratio. As your engine is burning, which too much fuel is being combusted. Now, at next slide, I will show you example of engine. Bye-bye, thank you for listening.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nurjina Binti Mohammed and my engine metric is RE21272. Today I want to talk about one problem of our project, that is radiator decay. There are many causes that can cause our car radiator to break down. One of them is the storage tank of radiator is constantly dry. When the storage tank is dry, the water, we can say that the storage water are leaks that we can see at figure 1. Figure 1, there is overall the radiator inside our car, and in figure 2, there is we can see with our eyes that the storage tank is leaks because the water are down at our root. So we should replace or check our that can cause our storage tank is leaks. And next, the broken radiator fans. The radiator can overheating when radiator fan is not function properly, and the car exhaust cannot cool down. if the engine cannot cool down, the engine can be at Fedro form. That is the we can see that the radiator is overheating, so that is cause our radiator. So we should check or replace our radiator once a week, and we can also make a appointment to car workshop to check or replace our car, or that causes our radiator So that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum to my beloved teachers and everyone that watching this presentation. My name is Muhammad Shafiq bin Uzair with metric number RE21119. So today I will talk about clutch plate problem. Okay, basically clutch plate is the driving member of the clutch and is gripped between the flywheel and the pressure plate. It is mounted on the clutch shaft through the splines. There's two types of clutch. There is wet clutch plate for endurance and dry clutch plate for the performance. Clutch plate is used to rotate the clutch shaft, and the power is transmitted from the engine to the transmission through the clutch. Clutch plate have some problems that many cars owner will face. That is, car will not move and have a burning smell. So our group have been decided to use 5Y method to solve this thing. So basically, 5Y is made by Sakichi Toyoda, CEO of Toyota Motor Corporation. This method used to questioning a question with why question 5 times. That's why it calls 5Ys. 5Ys cannot be end with human error because we want to detect the problem of the machine itself. So the last one, the 5th Y must be a root cause of the problem. So it's the main problem of everything from the 5Ys before it. So the example is the clutch plate, like before this clutch plate problem. So basically, car not move. Why? So we choose that this is the first Y. Why car not move? Because engine power not transferred to the wheel. So the second Y, why engine power not transferred to the wheel? So the reason is clutch plate is sleeping. So the third why is clutch plate is sleeping? The reason is clutch plate 1. So the last why is why the clutch plate is 1. It is because it gets through too many hills. Because somehow some people that use car for any adventure activities, so this is the reason why. So the conclusion is only for that car need to change the clutch plate and need to drive safely with stopping from pushing clutch when downhill can make the clutch last longer. That's all from me. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.